Welcome back to another backtesting session. This session will be exactly the same as I used to do the previous sessions. I will visualize the 4-hour and the daily candles, and then I will look for confirmations on the smaller time frame. So before starting, let's pick some random dates. I need the dates between 2018 till 2024. Month will be 2nd, 11th, date 1 and 30. So let's pick 3 dates. I will choose the date that I will get in the middle. April 27, 2019. Let's do April 27, 2019. Let's select gold 2019, April 7. Yeah, April. Okay, it's on Sunday, so I want to start from Monday. New York close, real fixed. Initial history on charts, it will be 1000, spread will be fixed, all set, perfect. Let's start the simulation. By the way, I was also planning that what if I backtest the whole year, like from, like I will pick up a random year and then I will start simulating one whole month, and the next simulation I will start from the next month and all that. I was thinking about that. So okay, fixed. Let's start the simulation. Okay, sorry, I haven't choose the type. Standard period will be M15, and let's start. Okay, it's loaded. The chart is loaded. Load the template. Moving on to 8 o'clock because that's when I start trading. Around this time, shift the chart to the left, see the calendar turned off. Let's see the session windows because, okay, it's good. We are 2 hours before London Open. And what we can see clearly is that there's still some room for the price to go up to maybe fill these wicks to the left hand side, right? Price can wick down, then go up and fill these wicks to the left hand side. Let's take a look at daily. Okay, perfect. Daily is pushing up. So if this candle has to go up, we need to see some support formation on the 30-minute. So number one is it should go down, create support, and then go up. That's the first chance. Okay, the second is it should close above this resistance, and then maybe I will look for taking a buy, making sure we have a clean range to the left. Okay, perfect. We have a clean range till that area. So we will see. But ideally it should go down to tap these levels and then go up. Okay. So can we take a sell just because we have a resistance forming here? The 4-hour candle has to create a bottom wick. So I think, yeah, I think we can take a sell. We'll see if this candle breaks the low of this previous candle. Yeah, it is breaking the low. If it breaks the low right now, I will take a sell. Let's slow it down more. It's moving so fast. Okay, we have 2 minutes left in this candle closure, and the candle closed bearish. Yeah, 4 hours going down, 30-minute is going down. I would say it would be better if I wait for the candle to close below this. Then that would be much stronger confirmation that we broke below this support. We have a clean range to the left. So maybe, okay. If I see support formed here, then I believe that we have a support forming right there. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Let's take a look at 4 hour. Yeah, I think there's a chance that we can go up now, right? The idea of taking a sell just to grab that bottom wick is not there. Like I'm seeing some buying confirmations here. Market broke the high of this previous candle. This candle broke the high of this previous candle. Looking at the 1 hour, this candle made no bottom wick, so there's a chance that, there's a high chance that the next candle can go up. 15-minute closed bullish. We have a support forming right here, so let's take a buy, placing the stop loss under here, and the take profit will go maybe to these wick fills right there at the high. Daily, yeah, it seems good. It should work. This trade should work. At least it can go till this point easily. Speed it up. Okay, and will it hit the stop loss? No? Okay, it shoot it up. Speed it up more. There's another buying opportunity that I can see. Price broke above, retest happened. Now this candle can shoot to the up, but as I'm already in the trade, so there's no business of taking any other trade. Okay, we are pushing up. Market started ranging here heavily. What is happening over here? Will we go bullish? Okay, we are pushing up, but we are rejecting. There's a big rejection happening from the top. Wait, let me see the news. We don't have any news. We don't have any news. I have, like, whenever there's some major impact news coming in, that's when the gold starts ranging until the news comes and it breaks in one direction. So anyway, I will stay in this trade and we will at least wait for the market to tap that white line. Okay, right there, right there. Okay, now should I wait for the trade to hit my take profit? I think I should close full right here, and let's see how many pips it went. 261 pips. Okay, well, it was a nice trade, by the way. Let's move on to the next day. Okay, it tapped the target. It tapped the target. Moving on to the next day, Tuesday, and 8 o'clock. Let's visualize where could this 4-hour candle could go. First, let's delete these old analysis. We don't really need them. So by looking at the daily, it's very clear that we can go up, right? Very clear. Because we closed above resistance, so this candle can maybe fill this wick and continue pushing up. Let's take a look at weekly, by the way. What does the weekly is telling us? So, okay, yeah, weekly. Okay, weekly candle hasn't really went down to create a bottom wick, but let's not just emphasize more on the weekly. Let's just stay, because we aim for only catching 1 4-hour candle, so there's no business of watching the weekly. Like, it's needed sometimes, but not all the time. Let's take a look at 4-hour. By looking at the 4-hour, what we can see is that we broke above this zone before. Right? This was the 1 2 3 4 tapped. Okay, we made a high, we came down, we created support. Now whenever the market makes a new high, it always comes back, and then most of the time it retests those highs it created, but the problem is the previous 4-hour candle closed a very weak body candle. So by keeping that in mind, maybe this candle can wake up and then go down and test this level, and maybe then it will go up, right? So if this candle has to go down, I would want to see some sort of resistance formation on the 30-minute to take a sell. Let's just mark this as resistance, this as support, and we will see for some confirmations on the smaller time frame, right? Let's take a look at M15. Okay, M30. Okay, M30 gave rejection from the top side. This candle closed with a rejection. Looking at the 1 hour, this candle closed with a big rejection. I believe that we can go down, right? Like, I think we can go down. Let's slow it down a little bit more because, okay, right there, let's take a sell. Stop loss right there. Take profit will go at least price should tap this level. Price can get further down, but at least it should go to this area. So accept, go to 30-minute, and let's see whether this trade works or not. Okay, we are moving down. Are we gonna hit the take profit or no? That's the question. We have 6 minutes left in this candle to close, and we are gonna hit the take profit. No. Okay, 1 minute left and the candle closed bearish. Let's see how this next 30-minute candle forms, and right there. Okay, we are getting 139 pips here. So, and I'm making more than 1% here. Let's see the 4-hour. Okay, yeah, it almost reached the support. I would do one thing. I will remove the take profit. I will close partials, close 90%. Okay. Oh, can I add take profit? Yeah, I can add take profit. I can add take profit, and I want to place the take profit right here, where my idea was that, you know, price can go down and tap this level. So let's see whether it works or not. Now this is my take profit. I have removed the take profit. I have put some money on the table, making it a risk-free. Now if price retraces, comes to my entry point, I will close the trade. I don't want to risk my winning trade. Let's just do one thing. Let's just break even. Speed it up more. More. Okay, we hit the take profit. And we are going up. Okay, let's take a look at 4-hour. Yeah, 4-hour candle just went down till my take profit, and now it shooted to the upside. Now it will definitely, it is gonna retest these highs. We'll wait for the next candle closure, and the candle started. Will the move continue from here, or will it retrace, create support, and then continue pushing up? That's the question. I won't execute because the London session has been over. Now we are in the NY session, pre-NY session, so okay. This is the NY session. Move on to the next day. Thursday.'clock. Let's visualize the 4-hour. Let's take a look at daily first. The daily candle is pushing up, right? This candle is maybe just going down to create a bottom wick, and then it can go up. Let's take a look at 4 hour. By looking at the 4 hour, this candle, like, obviously we have a resistance forming right there, but this candle closed with a rejection, I would say, right? So I think there is a chance that the next candle can wick down and then go up, because overall we are making higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. So maybe this candle can go up. So for that purpose, I would want to see some support formation on the 30-minute, and then I will take a buy. Okay, price should come down, create support, maybe around this area. Okay, we have a support forming right there. Wait. H4, 30-minute. Yeah, I think I'm late. Let's execute a buy because we have a support forming right here. So why shouldn't we take a buy? Stop loss here, entry was here, but I'm late just to fix this line. And the 4 hour candle can retest that high it created before. Maybe it can go up and fill these wicks to the left hand side. So accept and let it run. Candle closed with a rejection. That's the problem. Okay, we are good. I'm making 1% right here, but I will, let's take a look at 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour candle tapped that high. Let's take a look at daily candle. Okay, daily candle can go up and fill this wick to the left hand side. Okay, we'll stay in this trade and we will see how this candle closes, and then I will make some decision. Okay, to be very honest, I want to close this trade right now because I'm making 1.5% right there. Actually, I will do the same thing because I don't want to ruin my profits. Close, break even, and let it run. If it hits, perfect. My confidence will be increased. If not, then that's okay, because my stop loss is at break even. I have put some money on the table, like some fake money on the table. So okay, this is now coming down maybe to create support and then go up. Yeah, I think I have made a very good decision. Okay, support formed and news, I think. Moving on to the next day. Eight o'clock. Let's take a look at 4 hour. Okay, by looking at the 4 hour, we broke above this level, right? We broke above this resistance. We went up, we made a high. That's the same thing that happened here. Like, see? We broke above this. Yeah, just delete these unnecessary lines. Okay, we broke above this, we went down, made a high, came down, retested this area, and then go up. Okay, we broke above this, we came down almost, I won't say it was an ideal retest, but still it came down to retest this area and then go up. Isn't there a chance that the next candle can wick up and then go down, retest this area? But the problem is the previous 4 hour candle closed with a big rejection. The size of the wick is bigger than the size of the body, so that's the rejection wick. Take a look at daily. Yeah, daily is pushing up. 30-minute. Okay, I would say maybe I would want to wait for some support formation and then take a buy, right? If it moves from here, I will not execute this trade, and I will Trust my analysis. Okay, we are maybe pushing down. Okay, are we gonna close? Are we gonna get support forming here? Yeah, we have a support formed here. This daily candle can maybe wick down and then go up, but we have a new 4-hour candle started, and this is when I stopped trading. 2 hours before, I sit 2 hours before London Open and I trade till 2 hours after London Open. This is when the market starts ranging, right? But still, I will tell here my idea that this candle can wick down and then go up. So I would wait for some support formation, right? Some support formation, and then I won't execute the trade because this is not into my trading time. I haven't really traded this time. So okay, it's I don't think my idea is working. Anyway, move on to the next day. Friday, this is gonna be our last trade of this simulation session. Let's take a look at 4-hour. So let's take a look at daily first. So daily is at support. If the daily is at support, like, see, we broke above this level. We broke above this, we made a high, came down for the retest. Now again, there's a chance that it can go up to retest these highs, right? I talked about this thing before. So by knowing this concept, this 4-hour candle, it closed with a rejection from the downside. There was also another rejection. So this candle can maybe wick down and then break the high and continue pushing up. So I would want to wait for some support formation on the 30-minute. If it goes from here, I will not execute the trade, but if I see some support formation, then I will look for taking a buy. And that, I think it is going to go without me. Okay, I can enter a breakout trade here, but there should be some strong confirmations for that. Let's take a look at 4-hour. Okay, maybe I will try to catch the next 4-hour candle, or if I see support here, then I will execute, or because all right, we are going down. Support, support, support. I got my support right there. I think now it's a very good opportunity to take a buy. And price can maybe go up at least till this area, yeah, because that was the previous support. So I think I can target that 30-minute, and we also have a clean range till that area, so price can easily go till that area. Okay, we are pushing up, rejecting. Are we going to hit the take profit? I will hold this trade. If it goes up, perfect. If not, then there's nothing that I can do. And if this candle closes like this, okay, let's take a look at 4-hour. We have a new 4-hour candle starting. So okay, we'll see. Whenever the new 4-hour candle starts, price always retraces, creates support. Maybe in that attempt it can hit my stop loss. So but anyway, I will stay in this trade and I'm ready to see any outcome. Okay, should I close my trade? Should I? 4-hour. Okay, it's let's just not overthink and let it run, because I still believe it can go up. It is just coming down to make that 4-hour bottom wick, right? Or maybe my bias could be wrong. Yeah, that could be the reason that I will lose this trade. Okay, okay, stop loss it. Anyway, let's take a look at 4-hour. We broke the low, forward the candles, and let's see whether it okay, my bias, yeah, that was the problem, maybe. Like my idea about the daily candle that it will go up from this point, that was wrong, right? And okay, let's talk about what could I have done better. Like, how could I have not taken this trade? So, like, there was a support here, resistance here. We broke above, we made a high, we came down. So, yeah, it was obvious that. First, let's check how many pips we went into profits. That's the first question. My stop loss was 13 pips. 13 pips? And the gain was 30 pips. I was getting some really good risk to reward here, I guess. But just because of that greed or to catch that big move, I lost this trade. Okay, I think I should learn the lesson from this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this simulation session. And yeah, first let's see the stats over here, statistics. How many trades I have taken? I have taken 6 trades. 3 were losses. Okay, not 3 were losses. I think every trade on which the SL hits, it's counting that in the loss. And I have put a stop loss to break even, right? So that stop loss hits, so that's why it's counting that. As I think I lost only 1 trade, took 6 trade, won 5 trades, and see the graph, made 4%, 4.87% in 1 week. I think that's pretty good. That's not that bad. Move down. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day to you. Take care. Goodbye.